Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys 3 top altcoins to potentially buy right now as the market is having a slight kangaroo bounce here. We're bouncing back and forth with certain levels, so we're going to be discussing 3 of the best coins to potentially buy. Now guys, let's get into it and see what the market is doing. The market is down about 3.14% here in the past 24 hours. Our top volume is obviously Bitcoin at 32.9 billion, 17.6 billion on Ethereum. They're both down about 2% or so. Ethereum at around 3,100, Bitcoin at 43,500 right now. We see altcoins are down about 2% or so, but we do have some green here. Avalanche is up about 1%, and we have some outliers with Polkadot being down 5%, Polygon about 5%, and then some other major coins down here, 5, 4, 6% depending on the coin. But like we said, we also have some green in the market that is pushing it up a little bit as well. So guys, before we get into this content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I can do a video, and let's get into it. So first of all, the crypto bubbles here in the past 7 days have been looking pretty decent. We're seeing a lot of green right here, which is a beautiful thing. The biggest one popping out at me right now is this one right here, Smooth Love Potion, and this is used by one of the other coin or cryptocurrencies, and this is why this one continues to go, one of the games. So on one of those games we use these potions, and that is why this one has been booming here in the past week or so. 198%. That is a massive gain right there. We see some other big winners here. We see Clover Finance up over 59%. We have here Scale Network 46.3%. Another one over here, Super Farm at 51.9%, and many other winners here, including Decentraland, which is up over 23%, staying steady here, even with the market pulling back a little bit. Still staying around the support level that we've been seeing bounce back and forth for a while. So things are looking very good. Seeing Theta here as well. Theta Network up 40%. Gala up over 84%. So a lot of green here, guys. But there are some, red bubbles here as well. Not everything is doing as good as some of the other ones. So guys, let's get into the countdown. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Cryptocom CRO. So obviously we have the Super Bowl coming out this weekend, obviously on Sunday. So a lot of people are going to be watching the Super Bowl, and I think that Crypto.com could benefit from this with a little bit of a potential day trade type opportunity, maybe an in and out opportunity for some of these cryptos. So that's actually going to be another big thing for cryptocurrencies this weekend because of the Super Bowl. We might see a pump in the in the overall market. So be very, very cautious and watch what's going to happen. It could be a sell the news type situation like we saw with SNL with Dogecoin last year. So maybe get out before the Super Bowl, but that is just something that I'm looking at, just my opinion, obviously not financial advice. So crypto.com is down about 0.5% here, trading at 52 cents. Past week we're up over 56%. Past month we're up 16% with those lows down there at around 33 cents or so. In the past year, we're up over 549.6%. It was trading at around 8 cents in February. Then it went up to highs of about 23 cents, 25 cents, so about a quarter. Pulled back down with the market throughout the summer, all the way down to 10 cents again, and then rocketed on higher here once things started to get really popular for it to about 90 cents. I mean, they even bought, changed the name to the stadium, and also everybody's excited about that as well, or the arena. So this one from the 90 cents area all the way back down here to lows of 30 cents, and now we're waiting for that comeback on the up. So 13.1 billion market cap, and like we said, we almost said that $1 range at one point, so it would be around a 25 billion market cap if that was to happen. We have 14% higher volume at 239 million, and then obviously 49-day typical hold time. It is ranked at number 12 coin, so it is climbing those rankings very slowly, which is nice to see. 67% buy activity, 33% sell activity on this one. As it continues to move, we have our circulating supply at around 25.3 billion CRO, which is about 83% of the total supply. So obviously, when you see that the total supply is not 100, that means either there's coins to be mined, depending on which cryptocurrency we're looking at. Either the coins are to be mined, or we have a lot of staking going on, different situations like that. So it looks different depending on where you're looking and which coin you're looking at as well. So Crypto.com is definitely a coin that I believe in for the future, and I think that this is just the beginning for them as they continue to make some great innovations and different things in the market. So crypto.com, number 1. Number 2, we're going to be talking about Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna, one of the more popular coins we've talked about on this channel in the past, down about 2.8%, trading at $54. In the past week, we're up 8%. Past month, we're actually down 24% at lows of $44. And compared to the market, this one did not recover as much as everything else did in the past few weeks here. Obviously, last year, this was trading at $5, hit lows down here at $3.90 in the summer, and then hit highs up here at over close to $100 here at one point in December around Christmas time. Meanwhile, the rest of the market was, falling down since the Thanksgiving. So actually, while everything was falling down in Thanksgiving, this one pumped on higher and higher, made a 100% gain from the lows to the bottom here. So we're back to the area where we were trading at Thanksgiving, pre-market, pullback, I guess, in the crypto space. So this coin is actually holding up very nicely compared to everything else because we're still trading at the same price we were right before that Thanksgiving pullback when everything just started to go on, on a down spiral. So 21.6 billion market cap currently. Volume is almost flat at 1.8 billion right now. So this one continues to, push on higher here, but not as much as the rest of the market, which is understandable once we look at the bigger picture and see what has happened before. So I would not be surprised if this one continued to go down, and if we see a little bit of a bearish sentiment and we continue to pull back, this one could easily go under $4 or $40, and maybe a little bit lower down there to about 35 before we hit the next support level, which is not a great support level that we're seeing here. It's looking very thin as well, so could go to $30 very quickly, especially if cryptocurrencies continue to pummel on down. So Terra is going to be our second coin, and then last but not least, number 3 is going to be the Sandbox. So this one definitely one of the bigger plays, one of the metaverse plays. So we consistently talk on the channel about a few of these. We talk about the Sandbox, we talk about Mana, also known as Decentraland, and we talk about Axie Infinity. Those are our 3 big metaverse coins that we believe in, and these 3 I believe will take off. I'm a big bull on Decentraland, obviously, but the other 2 I think are great as well. Axie Infinity has already made a lot of gains for people last year in April time period, so we never know what's going to happen in this market. So right now, the Sandbox is down about 1%, trading at $4.50. Past week, we're up 21%. We saw a little bit of a bullish run here, obviously, in the metaverse coin, so even Decentraland was booming. This one went from $2.70 all the way up to highs up here at around 460 or so, or 480. So a nice gain right there of about, over $2 almost at one point. So in the past year, this one's up over 2,733%, trading at 16 cents. And then obviously here in October, when everything started to booming for, the metaverse due to, what's his name? Mark Zuckerberg, I guess, the Facebook guy, he made it go from 81 cents pretty much all the way up here because he changed Facebook's names to Meta, and a lot of the metaverse was getting a lot of attention. So we literally saw like 1,000x right here, 1,000% gain right here in a matter of about a month or so. So if $1,000 investment would have made you $10,000 in about a month here if you would have invested in the metaverse coins. Then obviously from that $7 high, we pulled back down extremely with the market, and now we're waiting for that recovery. 4.7 billion market cap, 1.1 billion here in volume, so trading flat. And then we see down here, the Sandbox continues to grow as it implements more things, and people start to join, and we see different activities happening on there, different contests and different just stores and shops and different things that people can buy, the plots of land, as this continues to grow. And I believe that this is just the beginning. I believe that the metaverse and the whole virtual reality situation is going to be booming in 2022, and this is just the beginning of everything for the years to come. So this is definitely a coin that I would be watching this year. So that's our third coin. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. First of all, Dogecoin still trading at around this 15 cents area. No matter when we look, Dogecoin is always between that 13 and 16 cents area. Even if the market's pumping, even if the market's dumping, this one doesn't move. But if the market continues to dump, it will continue to push on lower. Shiba Inu right there as well, down about 2%. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up at around $43,500 right now, down about 9% on the 1-year chart. In the 1-day chart, we're down 2% almost. Past week, we're up 15%, and we've been bouncing back and forth in this area, trying to break through this resistance and then pull back right back down. Past month, we're up 4% with those lows of 33,000, so we're up $10,000 from the lows. And then, like we said, on the 1-year chart, we're actually down about 9%. We're still about $26,000 away from that all-time high level. So Bitcoin has a lot of room to grow. 826.9 billion market cap, 34% crypto market space, 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity. We see volume is up 50% higher than usual, and typical hold time is 96 days. So Bitcoin, obviously, if you're willing to buy it at 50 or 60,000, this is a great opportunity still. Even if you didn't get in at that 30,000 level, you might see the 30s once again in the short term. So we'll watch and wait and see what happens with that. Then we have Ethereum here trading at 3,100. This one here in the past day is down 2%. Past week we're up 10% almost, with highs at around almost 3,300. Past month we're down 1%, and the lows down here were at 2,100. So it's up over 50% from the lows, which is beautiful to see on Ethereum, making a nice recovery right there. But we might go back down under 3,000 in the short term with a recovery once again. 371.9 billion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space, 65% buy, 35% sell activity, and volume is up 40% right now. Typical hold time 76 days. Ethereum is looking nice. We're seeing this little bit of a recovery, bouncing back and forth, waiting for that support to continue to build and break out through that resistance. Same with Bitcoin. We're going to be watching over the weekend. I believe that Saturday and Sunday could be huge for the crypto market space because of the Super Bowl. So we're going to be watching that very closely to see what happens if crypto continues to pump over the weekend or if it doesn't. So watch very closely, guys. Let me know your opinion in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen over the weekend? As always, if you enjoyed my content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I get a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor, guys, so this is not financial advice. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.